Hello everybody, my name is Cedric and I just wanted to do a video slash tutorial on how to do screen recording on your iPhone 8. You could do it on the iPhone 8 Plus, the 10, etc. Anyways, make a long story short, so to get straight into it, what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, okay? You want to go down. I passed it up. So you want to come right here to Control Center or whatever. And then you want to go to Customize Control. And then what you want to do is you're looking for this screen recording right here. Or it's a negative circle. But usually it's going to be down here. And what you would do is you would hit the green plus icon. And then it will basically it'll be right here where it's at now. Once you hit that button, you're gonna back out. You're gonna hit the home button. You're gonna close it, and then the next step, you're gonna pull up your screen. That's simple, right? And then obviously right here where the button is red down here, right next to the house, the little circle. You are going to hit that and you're going to hold it down, right? And then you'll see it's going to give you an option to turn on your microphone so you can have audio while you screen record for your videos, okay? If you don't turn on the microphone, you will not have any audio. So basically when you play the video back before you upload it to YouTube or whatever, you won't have any audio, okay? So you hit this button right here. You hold it down. It'll give you the option to turn on the microphone. Okay. And then that's it. And then you can basically start the video right there. And then, yeah. So obviously up here, when you see this red strip, I'm recording. Okay. It's that easy. So to recap, step 1, you want to go into your settings. And then you want to come right here. Control Center. Super easy, guys. Come on. Then you want to hit customize controls. You want to hit that. You're looking for the screen recording. It's right here. Usually it's down here before you enable it. Then it'll be right there. You back out of it. Boom. Close it. Bring up your screen. You're going to hit this button down. You're going to hold it down. It's going to give you the option to start recording basically right off the bat, but you want to make sure that you enable the microphone. That easy, guys. So yeah, I couldn't understand this for the longest. I was curious on how to do this because I wanted to do some YouTube videos without showing my face. I'm not camera shy or anything, but I just wanted to learn how to do that. And yeah, it's easy because when you want to do a quick video, it could be a quick gaming video or whatever it doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. Some people are camera shy. They don't want to show their face. And so, yeah, you basically can do it just like that. And then so to kind of summarize here, when you're done, at the top up here where this red strip is at, you hit that. It'll give you the option to stop recording. And once you're done, you want to end the video. And it'll save it to your photos. Once it saves to your photos, you can go into it, play it back, check it out, make sure you can hear the audio, everything is correct, it sounds good, and then yeah, you could upload it to your YouTube and yeah, post a video. And it's super easy. Please go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know you know, if it worked for you and what you thought about it. And yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. I figured that out, and I just wanted to share it. And like I said, leave a comment, please. And if this video is helpful, please smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I could use all the support. And I'd be willing to basically, you know, to show the support back in any type way and any way I can. So yeah, thank you for your time. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, see you in the next video.